day, my dear parents and learners. I'm Teacher Mitch. Welcome back to another video lesson in Mathematics 6. This lesson is for week 4 of the third quarter, which is about solving routine and non-routine problems involving different types of numerical expressions and equations. Math-based. Learning goal. Solve routine and non-routine problems involving different types of numerical expressions and equations. An equation is like a balance scale. Balancing method. The weight on the left and right sides must be the same. If you add or subtract weight from one side, you must do the same on the other side to keep it balanced. Solution of an equation. A solution of an algebraic equation is a number that makes the sentence true. To solve an equation for x means to get x alone on one side of the equation. To solve an equation, we use the idea of opposites. The sum of an integer and its opposite equals 0. Examples: negative 4 plus positive 4 equals 0. Positive 5 plus negative 5 equals 0. 4 basic properties used to solve equations. Number 1. Addition property of equality. If the same quantity is added to both sides of an equation, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. Example: 8 plus 2 equals 10. Kapag dinagdagan natin ng 4 ang both sides, magiging 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals 10 plus 4, or 14 equals 14. Number 2. Subtraction property of equality. If the same quantity is subtracted from both sides of an equation, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. Example: 8 plus 2 equals 10. Kapag nag-minus tayo sa both sides, magiging quantity 8 plus 2 minus 6 equals 10 minus 6, or 4 equals 4. Number 3. Multiplication property of equality. If both sides of an equation are multiplied by the same or non-zero quantity, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. Example: 8 plus 2 equals 10. Kapag nag-multiply tayo sa both sides, magiging quantity 8 plus 2 times 3 equals 10 times 3, or 30 equals 30. Number 4. Division property of equality. If both sides of an equation are divided by the same non-zero quantity, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. Example: 8 plus 2 equals 10. Then kapag mag-divide tayo by 2 in both sides, magiging quantity 8 plus 2 divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2. So, 5 equals 5. Solving equation involving addition. Example 1. X plus 5 equals 12. Solution. Let x be the unknown number. Kapag sinabi nating unknown number, ito yung value of the variable x na kailangang isolve. Given. X plus 5 equals 12, wherein x plus 5 is the side A. 12 is the side B of the equation. How to solve the equation? First, identify the variable. Ang variable or letter sa given equation ay x. Second, know what is attached to the variable. Sa given, plus 5 ang naka-attach sa x. Tinatawag din itong constant. Third, undo the operation both sides. Kapag sinabi nating undo, kukunin natin ang inverse operation ng plus 5 kaya magiging minus 5. By subtraction property of equality, subtract 5 from both sides. Sa balancing method, kung ano ang ginawa natin sa side A, ganun din ang gagawin sa side B. Kaya, tatandaan natin yung balance scale. X plus 5 equals 12. Sa side A, mag-minus tayo ng 5. Sa side B, mag-minus din tayo ng 5. Then, cancel out positive 5 and negative 5 dahil ang sum ng two opposite integers ay laging 0. This time, natanggal na natin ang naka-attach sa variable, kaya x na lang ang naiwan. Then copy the equal sign. Last is solve the side B. 12 minus 5 equals 7. So x is equal to 7. Checking. Substitute 7 for x in the equation. X plus 5 equals 12. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Palitan lang natin yung x ng 7. So, 12 equals 12. Therefore, 7 is the unknown number. X equals 7 is correct. Solving equation involving subtraction. Example 2. X minus 10 equals 22. Solution. Let x be the unknown number. Given. X minus 10 equals 22. Wherein, x minus 10 is the side A of the equation. 22 is the side B. How to solve the equation? First, identify the variable. Ang variable sa given equation ay x. Second, know what is attached to the variable. Sa given equation, minus 10 ang naka-attach sa x. Third, undo the operation both sides. Kapag sinabi nating undo, kunin natin ang inverse operation ng minus 10 kaya magiging plus 10. By addition property of equality, add 10 on both sides. X minus 10 equals 22. Sa side A, plus 10. And then sa side B, plus 10. Cancel out negative 10 and positive 10 dahil ang sum ng two opposite integers ay 0. Ang natira na lang ay x. Copy the equal sign. Solve side B. 22 plus 10 is equal to 32. So, x is equal to 32. To check, substitute 32 for x in the equation. X minus 10 equals 22. Palitan natin ang x ng 32. 32 minus 10 is equal to 22. 22 is equal to 22. The unknown number is 32. Therefore, x is equal to 32 is correct. Solving equation involving multiplication. Example 3. 5x equals 60. Solution. Let x be the unknown number. Given 5x or 5 times x equals 60. Wherein 5x is the side A. 60 is the side B of the equation. How to solve the equation? First, identify the variable. Ang variable sa given equation ay x. Second, know what is attached to the variable. Sa given equation, 5 ang naka-attach sa x. Third, undo the operation both sides. Kapag sinabi nating undo, kukunin natin ang inverse operation ng times 5 kaya magiging divided by 5. By division property of equality, divide both sides by 5. 5x equals 60. Sa side A, 5x divided by 5. Sa side B naman, 60 divided by 5. Cancel 5. So, ang naiwan na lang ay x. Copy the equal sign. 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Checking. Substitute 12 for x in the equation. 5x equals 60. Palitan natin ang x ng 12. 5 times 12 equals 60. So, 60 equals 60. Meaning, the unknown number is 12. Therefore, x equals 12 is correct. Solving equation involving division. Example 4. X divided by 3 equals 8. Solution. Let x be the unknown number. Given, x divided by 3 equals 8. Wherein, x divided by 3 is the side A of the equation. 8 is the side B. How to solve the equation? First, identify the variable. Ang variable sa given equation ay x. Second, know what is attached to the variable. Sa given equation, divided by 3 ang naka-attach sa x. Third, undo the operation both sides. Kapag sinabi nating undo, kukunin natin ang inverse operation ng divided by 3 kaya magiging times 3. By multiplication property of equality, multiply both sides by 3. X divided by 3 equals 8. Sa side A, x divided by 3 times 3. Sa side B naman, 8 times 3. Then, cancel 3 dahil 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Pero, no need to write 1. So, x na lang ang naiwan. Copy the equal sign. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Checking. Substitute 24 for x in the equation. X divided by 3 equals 8 is the original equation. Palitan natin ang x ng 24. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. So, 8 equals 8. The unknown number is 24. Therefore, x equals 24 is correct. Solving equation involving addition and multiplication. This time, gagamit tayo ng two-way operation. Example 5. 2x plus 7 equals 15. Solution. Let x be the unknown number. Given, 2x plus 7 equals 15, wherein 2x plus 7 is the side A of the equation. 15 is the side B. How to solve the equation? First, identify the variable. Ang variable sa given equation ay x. Second, know what is attached to the variable. Sa given equation, plus 7 at times 2 ang naka-attach sa x. Third, undo the operation both sides. Kapag sinabing undo, kukunin natin ang inverse o kabaliktaran ng plus 7 kaya magiging minus 7. At ang times 2 naman ay magiging divided by 2. Unahin natin ang opposite or inverse operation ng plus 7, which is minus 7. By subtraction property of equality, subtract 7 from both sides. 2x plus 7 equals 15. Sa side A, 2x plus 7 minus 7. Sa side B, 15 minus 7. Cancel natin ang positive 7 at negative 7 dahil ang sum ng dalawang opposite integers ay 0. So, ang naiwan na lang ay 2x. Copy the equal sign. Solve side B. 15 minus 7 equals 8. Kung mapapansin natin, meron pa tayong naka-attach na number sa x. Kaya, kukunin ulit natin ang inverse operation para maiwan na lang ang x. 2 times x, ang kabaliktaran nito ay divide. By division property of equality, divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2. Sa side B naman, 8 divided by 2. Cancel 2 dahil 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So, no need to write 1. X na lang ang naiwan. Copy the equal sign. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So, x equals 4. Checking. Substitute 4 for x in the equation. 2x plus 7 equals 15. Yan po ang ating original equation. Palitan ang x ng 4. 2 times 4 plus 7 equals 15. 8 plus 7 equals 15. So, 15 equals 15. The unknown number is 4. Therefore, x equals 4 is correct. Solving equation involving subtraction and multiplication. Example 6. 3x minus 2 equals 13. Solution. Let x be the unknown number. Given 3x minus 2 equals 13, wherein 3x or 3 times x minus 2 is the side A of the equation. 13 is the side B. How to solve the equation? First, identify the variable. Ang variable sa given equation ay x. Second, know what is attached to the variable. Sa given equation, meron tayong dalawang number na naka-attach sa variable. Ang una ay ang negative 2 or minus 2. At ang pangalawa naman ay yung naka-attach sa x, which is 3 or times 3. Number 3, undo the operation both sides. Kapag sinabi nating undo, kukunin natin ang inverse operation ng mga naka-attach sa variable. Ang negative 2 or minus 2 ay magiging positive 2 kapag kinuha natin ang inverse operation. At ang times 3 naman ay magiging divided by 3. By addition property of equality, add 2 on both sides. 3x minus 2 equals 13. So, unahin natin yung minus 2. Ang opposite niya ay plus 2. So, mag-plus 2 tayo both sides. Sa side A, plus 2. Sa side B, plus 2. Then, cancel out negative 2 and positive 2 dahil ang sum ng opposite integers ay 0. Kaya, ang natira na lang ay 3x. Copy the equal sign. Isolve natin ang side B. 13 plus 2 equals 15. Kung titingnan natin ang ating new equation, 3x equals 15, meron pa ring naka-attach na number sa ating variable na x. Kaya, kukunin natin ang inverse operation ng times 3 magiging divided by 3. By division property of equality, divide both sides by 3. Sa side A, 3x divided by 3. Sa side B, 15 divided by 3. Then, cancel 3. Dahil 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Pero hindi na natin isusulat ang 1. Kaya ang naiwan ay x. Copy the equal sign. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So, x is equal to 5. Checking. Substitute 5 for x in the equation. Ang original equation natin ay 3x minus 2 equals 13. So, palitan natin ang x ng 5. 3 times 5 minus 2 equals 13. Kaya, 15 minus 2 equals 13. So, 13 equals 13. Ang ating unknown number ngayon ay 5. Therefore, x equals 5 is correct. Solving equation involving addition and division. Example 7. X divided by 4 plus 6 equals 10. Solution. Let x be the unknown number. Given. X divided by 4 plus 6 equals 10. Wherein, x divided by 4 plus 6 is the side A of the equation. 10 is the side B. How to solve the equation? First, identify the variable. Ang variable sa given equation ay x. Second, know what is attached to the variable. Sa given equation, plus 6 at divided by 4 ang naka-attach sa x. Third, undo the operation both sides. Kapag sinabi nating undo, kukunin natin ang inverse operation ng plus 6. Kaya magiging minus 6. At ang divided by 4 naman, magiging times 4. Pero unahin muna natin yung inverse operation ng plus 6. By subtraction property of equality, subtract 6 from both sides. X divided by 4 plus 6 equals 10. Sa side A, minus 6. Sa side B, minus 6. Then, cancel out positive 6 and negative 6 dahil ang sum ng dalawang opposite integers ay 0. Kaya ang naiwan ay x divided by 4. I-subtract natin ang side B. 10 minus 6 equals 4. So, ang ating equation ngayon ay x divided by 4 equals 4. Pero kung mapapansin natin, meron pa ring naka-attach na number sa ating variable, which is x. Kaya, kunin ulit natin ang inverse operation ng divided by 4 para ang maiwan ay ang x. Ang opposite ng divided by 4 ay times 4. By multiplication property of equality, multiply both sides by 4. X divided by 4 times 4 and 4 times 4. Cancel 4 dahil 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 pero hindi na natin ilalagay ang 1. Kaya, x na lang ang naiwan. Then, copy equal sign. Solve side B. 4 times 4, 16. So, x is equal to 16. Checking. Substitute 16 for x in the equation. X divided by 4 plus 6 equals 10. Ito yung ating original equation. Then, palitan ang x ng 16. 16 divided by 4 plus 6 equals 10. So, 4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, the unknown number is 16. X equals 16 is correct. Solving equation involving subtraction and division. Example 8. X divided by 2 minus 9 equals 23. Solution. Let x be the unknown number. Given. X divided by 2 minus 9 equals 23. Wherein, x divided by 2 minus 9 is the side A. 23 is the side B of the equation. How to solve the equation? First, identify the variable. Ang variable sa given equation ay x. Second, know what is attached to the variable. Sa given equation, minus 9 at divided by 2 ang naka-attach sa x. Third, undo the operation both sides. Kapag sinabi nating undo, kukunin natin ang inverse operation ng mga number na naka-attach sa x. Ang minus 9 ay magiging plus 9 at ang divided by 2 ay magiging times 2. Pero unahin muna natin ang opposite ng minus 9. By addition property of equality, add 9 on both sides. X divided by 2 minus 9 equals 23. Sa side A, plus 9. Yun po ang opposite ng minus 9 or negative 9. Sa side B, plus 9. Then, cancel out negative 9 and positive 9. Dahil ang opposite integers ay equal to 0. Kaya ang naiwan ay x divided by 2. Copy the equal sign. Solve side B. 23 plus 9 is equal to 32. So ang ating equation ay x divided by 2 equals 32. Kung mapapansin natin, hindi pa rin natatanggal ang number na naka-attach sa x. So, kunin natin ang opposite or inverse operation ng divided by 2 para ang maiwan ay ang x. By multiplication property of equality, multiply both sides by 2. X divided by 2 times 2. Sa side B naman, 32 times 2. Cancel 2. Dahil 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Pero no need na isulat po ang 1. Ang naiwan na lang ay ang x. Copy the equal sign. Solve side B. 32 times 2, 64. So x is equal to 64. Checking. Substitute 64 for x in the equation. X divided by 2 minus 9 equals 23. Yan po ang ating original equation. Palitan ang x ng 64. 64 divided by 2 minus 9 equals 23. So, 32 minus 9 equals 23. 23 is equal to 23. Therefore, the unknown number is 64. X equals 64 is correct. Steps in solving word problem. Number 1. Understand. Letter A. What is as? Letter B. What are the given facts? Number 2. Plan. What equation shall we use to solve the problem? Select your own strategy in creating the equations. Number 3. Solve. Show your computation. Number 4. Check. Go back to the original equation and substitute or replace the value of the unknown number. Application and problem solving. Number 1. Bugoy bought 3 sets of gumamela plants. He bought a total of 15 plants. How many plants were in each set? Number 1. Understand. Letter A. What is as? The number of plants in each set. Letter B. What are the given facts? 3 sets of gumamela plants. A total of 15 plants. Number 2. Plan. What equation shall we use to solve the problem? Let x is equal to the number of plants in each set. Sa given natin, merong 3 sets of gumamela plants and a total of 15 plants. So, gamitin natin ito sa ating equation. 3x is equal to 15. Number 3, solve. Using balancing method. Kapag sinabi nating balancing method, kung ano ang ginawa sa side A, kung nag-add or nag-plus, ganun din ang gagawin sa side B para ma-maintain ang value ng equation. 3x is equal to 15 or 3 times x is equal to 15. Ang variable natin ay x at ang naka-attach na number sa x ay 3. Kunin natin ang inverse operation ng multiplication. Kaya, yung 3 ay i-divide natin. 3x divided by 3 sa both sides. I-cancel natin ang 3 dahil 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 pero hindi na natin ilalagay ang 1. Ang naiwan ay x, then 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So, x is equal to 5. Number 4, check. Substitute 5 for x in the equation. 3x is equal to 15. Palitan ang x ng 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So, 15 is equal to 15. Dahil equal ang ating answer, meaning x is equal to 5 is correct. Therefore, the number of plants in each set is 5. Application and problem solving. Number 2. Zara bought wooden slippers that marked 50 pesos off. She paid 125 pesos. What was the original price? Number 1. Understand. Letter A. What is asked? The original price of the wooden slippers. Letter B. What are the given facts? 50 pesos off and a selling price of 125 pesos. Number 2. Plan. What equation shall we use to solve the problem? Let x is equal to the original price of the wooden slippers. Since naka-discount si Zara ng 50 pesos at ang kanyang binayaran ay 125 pesos, kaya ang ating maging equation ay x minus 50 is equal to 125. Number 3, solve. Using balancing method. Kapag sinabi nating balancing method, kung ano ang ginawa sa side A, ganun din ang gagawin sa side B para ma-maintain ang value ng equation. X minus 50 is equal to 125. Ang ating variable ay x at ang naka-attach sa ating variable ay minus 50. Kunin natin ang inverse operation o kabaliktaran ng minus 50 magiging plus 50. Kaya, i-add po natin ito sa side A at sa side B. X minus 50 plus 50. Sa side B naman, 125 plus 50. Then, cancel out negative 50 and plus 50 dahil ang sum nila ay 0. So, ang naiwan ay x. At 125 plus 50 is equal to 175. Number 4, check. Substitute 175 for x in the equation. X minus 50 is equal to 125. Palitan ang x ng 175. 175 minus 50 is equal to 125. Therefore, 125 is equal to 125. Meaning, x is equal to 175 is correct. Therefore, the original price of the wooden slippers is 175 pesos. Application and problem solving. Number 3. Helen is 13 years old. Helen's father is 4 years more than twice her age. What is the age of her father? Number 1. Understand. Letter A. What is asked? Age of Helen's father. Letter B. What are the given facts? Helen's age is 13. Father's age is twice Helen's age plus 4 years. Number 2. Plan. What equation shall we use to solve the problem? Let x is equal to the age of Helen's father. Helen's age is 13 at ang father naman niya is twice Helen's age plus 4 years. So, ang ating equation ay 13 times 2 plus 4 is equal to x. Solve. 13 times 2 plus 4 equals x. 13 times 2 is equal to 26 plus 4 equals x. 26 plus 4 is equal to 30 equals x, or baliktarin natin, x is equal to 30. Check. Substitute 30 for x in the equation. 13 times 2 plus 4 is equal to 30. 13 times 2 is equal to 26 plus 4 is equal to 30. So 30 is equal to 30, meaning x is equal to 30 is correct. Age of Helen's father is 30.